In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place video on TV screen in Canva. By the end, you'll have a clean, realistic TV effect, perfect for presentations, social posts, or promos. Start by opening your design in Canva. This can be any size or template you're already working on. Give it a second to load so everything is crisp and ready to edit. With your design open, head to the Elements tab on the left and use the search bar to look for TV frame. You'll see a variety of styles, from retro sets to modern flat screens. Pick one that matches the vibe of your project and, most importantly, has a clear screen area so the video can sit neatly behind it. Add the TV frame to your canvas and place it where you want your final composition to live. You can resize it by dragging the corner handles. Keeping it proportional helps maintain that realistic look. Next, go to the Uploads tab and click Upload Media. Select your video file from your computer. Larger files may take a moment to upload, so wait until the thumbnail is fully visible before moving on. Drag your video from the Uploads panel onto the canvas. It will appear on top of your design initially. Position it roughly over the TV screen area, then use the corner handles to scale it up or down so it fills the screen space. If the frame is being covered by the video, right-click the video and choose Send Backward. You may need to repeat Send Backward until the TV frame sits on top and the video is clearly visible inside the screen opening, with the bezel neatly masking the edges. Take a moment to fine-tune. Nudge the video into place so it aligns perfectly with the screen boundaries. Zoom in if necessary to check the corners and ensure there are no gaps or overhangs. A snug fit makes the effect convincing and professional. When you're happy with the placement, preview your design to see the video play inside the TV. This is a great time to confirm timing and visual balance before exporting. If everything looks right, click Share in the top right corner and choose Download. In the File Type options, select MP4 Video to preserve motion. Then click Download. Canva will render your design and save it as a video file you can share or post anywhere. That's it. You've placed a video on a TV screen in Canva, cleanly and efficiently. Save your project so you can reuse the layout later with different videos, and you're ready to go.